Good morning, good morning. I have just received yesterday when I was at work the notification for Calligraph Jones beatbox freestyle, and the first thing that I do now when I wake up in the morning, I even have my working clothes on me, I want to react to the video. But before that, I want you to subscribe to my channel, to share the video and keep this channel alive. So let's see what this guy has to say, as always. Yes.
Hey yo, what up, OG? It's been a minute. What's happening?
Damn, hey, this shit exclusive.
Man, I'm back on my bullshit. I'm back on my bullshit, bro. I go beast mode when on the mic. Y'all know I spit this shit. Facts. And how is you a challenge? All you do is flip the switch. I'm in the trap beatboxing. That's why it's hard to see me. You in the house tick-tocking while dipping your hands in the remies. A cannibal, ahead of my time. I'm eating these edible whims. Yes. Not related to Idi Amin, though we both look like identical twins. Ain't gonna talk about my past.
Yeah, like always, what can I say? Like always, he has good lyrics. At first, I was thinking that the beatbox is like classic beatbox from the mouth, but it seems that is a beat. So it's a little bit it led you in error a little bit, confuse the person that leads beatbox freestyle. But that has nothing to do with the song. Song is good.
Cause I did some terrible things. Nightmare on Elm Street, motherfuckers, Freddy again. It's Jones, nigga. Yeah, Jones, nigga. Jones. 2 days later, kings, I need my throne bigger. What? You don't wanna fuck with me cause I'm a wrong nigga. Yeah. If you say my name in Japanese, to pronounce it God, yeah. These cities don't never like this. Why? I be sanitizing too much with Hennessy. I feel like my palms got hepatitis. These bloggers can take a hike, bitch. Even if I win them.
Like OG, like he always does, what I don't usually see to other rappers that are, how to call, they sing just in their native language, right? But he always has native language like Kiswahili and English, and he mix them all the time, which this is very good. When you sing in your native language, you just sing for your people there, for your community, for your country. When you sing in English, you can sing basically for the whole world. Everyone knows English, so that's very good. That's very good because people understand.
Grammy, y'all know MTV and Citizen will never hype it. Body for dollar day, they're gonna be all on my dick. They're gonna be all on my page, liking all my IG pics. By the time I was on stage, but I never gave a shit. Now that I finally on my grave, y'all wanna act like y'all forget? What a bunch of hypocrites, don't pretend to be my fans, cause you never. Shit flexing on these beats, I call it Grand Capuero.
The song is dope, man. He always has dope lyrics, dope songs. I have nothing to say. He's good, he's very good, and he does his job well. One thing I don't understand, and I am never going to understand, and I have been in Kenya, I've seen people on 20 degrees, 25 degrees, 30 degrees with jackets on them. So I don't know if this is a fashion to wear a jacket, because I guess he is in Kenya, or why Kenyan people, some of the Kenyan people wear jackets, and I've seen winter jackets that we wear here in Sweden when it's minus 10 degrees, minus 5 degrees. It's a taboo for me.
I know nobody's perfect and that man is to error. I'm nobody, I guess why I don't hang with these fellas. I'm DMX in 98, Dungaree in Timberlands, Robin Williams 91. What you know about Peter Pan? Michael Jackson 87. Finna hit you with that thriller. I've been 6 since 207. Name another nigga iller. All about my revenue like KRA and IRS. Still the wisest even when I use my local dialect. Eastlands don't tell, but people question me on why I left. I copped the East already. Now my target is to buy the West. Just to join them if you can beat him, but I'ma beat him cause I can't join him. it. I'm anointed, better believe it. And I'm a leader, cause I was appointed. There's a party in my whip, popping bottles with your lady. So my God, this girl is gifted. She be swallowing my baby. They wanna see my team, no fakes up in my premises. No, we finna cut him, cut him like OT Genesis. 2 L's on your resume, second round KO, bitch, I'm cannabis. Shorty, I can be your friend only if that pussy comes as a benefit.
Wow, that's been dope, man. The song is really dope. The song is really dope. Too short, unfortunately. That has been too short for such a great song. Should be longer, man. More longer than that. That's it. Anyway, thank you guys. Keep sharing my videos. Maybe if you just look at my videos but you haven't subscribed yet, press on the bell, and to be featured with my new notifications. So that's it for today. Now I need to go to work. So that's it. Constar React says goodbye to you and stay healthy.